Adobo is a signature dish of the Philippines that can be made with chicken, pork, seafood, or vegetables. The four basic ingredients are vinegar, soy sauce, pepper, and dried bay leaves. Here is a recipe for preparing adobo chicken or pork. Ingredients needed to prepare homemade adobo. To 2-3 pounds, chicken or pork belly or shoulder works best. 4 cloves garlic, peeled and crushed. 1 onion, peeled and thinly sliced. 1/2 cup vinegar. 1/3 cup water. 1/3 cup soy sauce. To dried bay leaves, salt and pepper to taste. Rice to serve with the adobo. How to prepare homemade adobo. 1. Chop pork into bite-sized pieces. You do not need to chop chicken into smaller pieces but can cook whole drumsticks or thighs. Always wash your hands after handling raw meat. 2. Peel and slice the onion. Placing the flat side of the onion on the chopping board, thinly slice the 2 halves. 3. Peel and chop the garlic. Peel for cloves of garlic, then use the flat end of your knife to crush all 4 cloves. Chop the cloves into very small pieces. 4. Mix the soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and pepper in a large bowl. Taste the sauce to see how much pepper you want to add. 5. Marinate for 1 hour. Cover the bowl and put it into the refrigerator. 1 hour is all it needs to marinate, but if you are working on a time crunch, you can marinate for only 30 minutes. If you have a lot of time, you can marinate it overnight. 6. Place the chicken and marinate in a deep-sided sautepan over medium heat. Then, you can add the bay leaves and onion. 7. Simmer the meat for 15 minutes. Turn once as it simmers. Lower the heat if the sauce begins to boil. 8. Transfer the sauce to a bowl. Carefully removing the sautepan from the heat, pour the marinade sauce out of the pan and into a bowl. You can use the same bowl you marinated the meat in. Make sure the meat does not fall out as you pour the sauce. 9. Add oil to the pan. 1 tablespoon of olive or canola oil will work. This will help the meat not stick. 10. Brown the chicken or pork on all sides. This will take 10 to 20 minutes. Use medium heat to brown the meat, but turn the heat higher if the meat is cooking very slowly. 11. Return the sauce to the pan. Carefully transfer the marinade sauce back to the sautepan, then bring the pan to a boil. 12. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes over medium heat. The chicken or pork should be tender, and the sauce will be a thick, deep brown. The meat should be fully cooked throughout. 13. Add salt and pepper to taste. Taste the marinade sauce and see if it needs more salt or pepper. 14. Serve over rice. You can use a rice cooker to prepare 2 to 3 cups of brown or white rice, depending on how many people you are feeding. 1 cup usually feeds 2 people. Enjoy your homemade adobo.